At the hospital.
Sutures. Stitches used to close a wound. Infusion. Introduction of fluids or medication into the bloodstream. Seizure. Sudden, uncontrolled electrical disturbance in the brain. Ward round. Regular visit by a doctor to check on patients in the hospital. Test results. Outcomes of medical tests. Contagious. Capable of being transmitted from one person to another. Incision. Surgical cut made in the body. Defibrillator. Device used to restore normal heart rhythm. Consultant. Specialist doctor providing expert advice. Physical therapy. Treatment to restore movement and function. Plastic surgeon. Doctor specializing in reconstructive or cosmetic surgery. Appointment. Scheduled meeting with a healthcare provider. Outpatient. Patient who receives treatment without staying overnight. Bandage. Material used to protect or bind a wound. X-ray. Imaging test that uses radiation to view inside the body. Ultrasound technician. Professional who performs ultrasound imaging. General practitioner, GP. Family doctor providing primary care. Ultrasound. Imaging technique using sound waves. ICU, intensive care unit. Specialized department for critically ill patients. Orthopedist. Doctor specializing in bones and muscles. Triage nurse. Nurse who assesses and prioritizes patients based on severity of condition. Checkup. Routine examination by a doctor. Rehabilitation. Therapy to help patients recover from illness or injury. Antibiotic. Medication used to treat bacterial infections. Emergency. Serious, unexpected situation requiring immediate action. Health insurance. Coverage that pays for medical expenses. Dermatologist. Doctor specializing in skin conditions. Oncologist. Doctor specializing in cancer treatment. Ambulance. Vehicle for transporting patients to and from the hospital. Blood test. Laboratory analysis of a blood sample. Stretcher. Device for carrying patients unable to walk. Medication. Drugs used to treat or prevent disease. Patient. Person receiving medical care. Antiseptic. Substance that prevents infection by killing bacteria and viruses. Pediatrician. Doctor specializing in children's health. Cast. Protective shell for immobilizing broken bones. Radiology. Use of imaging to diagnose and treat diseases. Hospital bed. Bed specifically designed for patients in hospitals. Maternity ward. Hospital section for childbirth and care of newborns. Blood pressure. Force of blood against the walls of arteries. Catheter. Tube inserted into the body to drain fluids or deliver medication. Therapist. Professional who provides treatment for physical or mental health issues. Neurologist. Doctor specializing in the nervous system. Vaccination. Injection that protects against specific diseases. Routine check. Regular health examination. Surgeon. Doctor who performs operations. Nurse. Healthcare professional who cares for patients. Phlebotomist. Healthcare professional trained to draw blood. Obstetrician. Doctors specializing in pregnancy and childbirth. Pharmacy. Place where medications are dispensed. Hospital gown. Clothing worn by patients during a hospital stay. Psychiatrist. Doctor specializing in mental health. Injection. Shot of medicine delivered through a needle. Prescription. Doctor's written order for medication. First aid. Initial care given to an injured person. Dietitian. Expert in nutrition and diet. Anesthesia. Medication to prevent pain during surgery. Discharge. Release of a patient from the hospital. Operation. Surgical procedure to treat a condition. Symptom. Physical or mental feature indicating a condition or disease. Vitals. Measurements of essential body functions, e.g., heart rate, temperature. Emergency room, ER. Section of a hospital for immediate treatment of acute illnesses and injuries. Ward. Hospital room where patients are accommodated.